Eigentlich so, ich zeige mir jetzt
now.
I remember we watched the movie
our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! Teacher! And surprise, one of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day V.I.Z. Sorry, what you guess?
Oh, goodness!
No, it's not.
Me? Oh, I'm so excited!
Now, whatever it is, come on up! And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. Be responsible, that's totally standard, okay?
Oh, this one.
No,
That one?
matching
I'm
one.
really bad at this.
Don't miss the camera.
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes!
Wow! Hooray for me!
Oh, this is gonna be a blast!
Miss Howard? Are you okay?
Need you to fill in behind.
Say what?
Read the prompter.
Okay! Oh, Tundra Town! No. Oh, there it is! Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashmo! Kozlov!
Predator, prey, ice dancings, balance of nature, Zoogether strong like mother.
Oh, special effects!
Five snowflakes on fire.
Oh, wow! Judy! Nick!
Hauser, did you do this?
I have no idea!
Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal
sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that button. Partner, you want to grab a leg?
Detectives Hopps and Wilde investigating.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Maybe the other celebrations could be in danger. Wallhauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts.
Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all wetter together.
The marsh is right up.
Why sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Garrett, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you out.
Nibbles? We need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. See who did this?
Seriously?
Oh, it was clogged with wool.
And my face.
Where to next, Wallhauser?
Little rodentcha.
How to make like a tree?
Bart, let's move on.
Together Day from the swim. It's the clown room. In their rotation, we may be small.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference.
Oh, so cute.
We're gonna get iced.
Miss Fufu. Donuts do save lives.
Garrett, I am shocked.
I knew it. But why?
Oh, Judy! Next is the concert!
We're in for six.
Zootopia! Let's dance, you party animals! Happy Zoogether Day!
Hey, move you big buffalo! Oh, gee, Mogo!
Whoa,
But you said you were going to a security conference!
I'm undercover.
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom?
Saving together, Day.
Hey!
Wanna shed your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks.
Oh, I think his head was a lot of flies. You should see it.
Wait.
Oh no! That biggest fan!
Don't ruin the finale. I got it. I know what's behind this.
Get down!
Hey, grab on, Wallhauser. Beware of
Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection! And on a day all about connection! Oh, Miss Howler! Zoogether Day is ruined!
Really? Yes!
Not the reaction I was expecting.
Hey, hi. Hello, Governor.
A sheep in wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together.
No.
Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Sheep. Case closed. Boom.
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale!
Did someone say finale?
Has she just been waiting up there?
Come join me, B.I.Z. Let's hear you sing, Zootopia.
Just a team.
Here we go.
Joining up as brothers.
Sister, put your paw in mine.
Here comes the tournament again.
Oof, yikes.
Tails intertwined, we raise our hearts again. Hop on our train of thought.
I think they've seen a lot.
We love what we got. It's a melting pot. We are united in every way. Neighbor to neighbor. So raise your voices, come on and say. Let's all unite for together. We love you, Zootopia. And trot out the doors to the left. Please drop your glasses in there.
The water. I think they go